To add closed or open captions, select your project window, navigate to File, New Captions. Select the format and frame rate that you want. Remember, open captions will always be on the screen, while closed captions have the ability to turn on or off. For the sake of this tutorial, we'll select open captions. Once it is created, drag your caption file over to your clip with the dialog. Type in your first phrase or word. Select in and out points or adjust by dragging. Click the plus button on the bottom right to create a new sentence or phrase. Adjust accordingly. To export the captions as a separate file, select Captions, select Export, Captions, and select your format. Alternatively, to export open captions with the video, upon export, select the Captions tab, burn captions into video. Or, with a closed captions export, select Embed in Output File, Burn into Video, Create Sidecar File, or None.